video is a tutorial for how to access Google Classroom. First, you want to ensure that you are logged into your Prince George's County Public School Gmail account. You will know that you are in the Prince George's County Public School Gmail account when you see the logo here. Next to it, to the left, you're going to see a waffle. Some people call it a waffle, some people call it a hamburger, but it is a grid for your apps, your Google apps. You will click on the apps and it will open up the other apps that are housed within Google. Some of the ones that you may find of interest is your Gmail, your Google Drive, Google Classroom, Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Calendar. Today we're going to work through Google Classroom. So you'll click Google Classroom. Now this is where your Google classes will be if you've been added to the Google Classroom or if you've already joined a Google Classroom. So I'm going to remove myself from a class so that I could show you how to get into a class. Okay, so you're going to click join a class using the plus here to the right of your screen. You'll click join class. It'll tell you which account is joining, and then you will input your class code. So this is the class code for the account that I just left. So once I enter the code, you'll notice on the right-hand side, there's a button that says join. You click join. As the class is joining, it's loading the information for that class. Once you're inside the class, you will see if there's upcoming work, something that you may share with the class, or any updates that the educator or the creator of this class has posted. Be mindful of your online etiquette. You may want to check to see if you are permitted to write within the thread of your class. And that is how you join a Google class.